Hey everyone, let's solve kth smallest element in a binary search tree. Okay, our question is, we have given the root of a binary search tree and an integer k. Return the kth smallest value of all the values in the tree. It is in one index. Okay, so what we want to do in this problem, we need to return the kth smallest value in this tree. Okay, that means find the second smallest value in this tree, which is the smallest value in this also this is a binary search tree that has mentioned here. What is it? Is the binary search tree. Okay, so what is the smallest value in this? What is the second smallest value in this tree? What is the third smallest value in this tree? What is the fourth smallest value in this tree? What is the fifth smallest value in this tree? Sixth smallest value? This one. Okay. Similarly, what is the first smallest value in this tree? This one. What is the second smallest value in this tree? This one. What is the third smallest value in this tree? This one. What is the fourth smallest value in this tree? This one. You got it right. We know that in a binary search tree, all the values in the left would be smaller than the value, and all the value in the right will be bigger than its value. So in this case, where will be the smallest value in this tree? Let's take a look at here. It would be more easy. Where will be the smallest value in this tree? We know that it is a binary search tree. All the smallest values will be in the left, so we can go all the way left. Okay, similarly, let's take a look at this. What is the smallest value in this tree? Let's go to all the way up this. Okay, now let's take a look. What is the second smallest value in this tree? All the way up here, this is the smallest, this is the second smallest. What is the third smallest? This is the third smallest. What is the fourth smallest? If you guys are telling that this is 5, nope, it is 4. We know that all the values in its left will be smaller, so after coming up here, if this has a node in the right, that means this is also smaller than this level, so we need to check, or we need to go through all of this. Okay, I think you guys got the idea. Yeah, so what we can do here, the idea that got in my mind is, we can create a list, then add all the elements in order. That means 1 comma 2 comma 3, that means this 3. What is the next smallest? This will be the next smallest, that means 4. What will be the next smallest? This will be the next smallest, that will be 5. What will be the next smallest? This will be the next smallest, it will be 6. Okay, we got an array that is in ascending order, that means smallest biggest. Okay, now now let's take our question. Oh, why this thing is also up here? Okay, okay. Let me just clear this up. Okay, I just cleared that. Now take a look. What will be the why I am came up here? Okay, okay. We need to get the kth smallest value. So it's very simple that we can uh, go to our array and take the kth element. That's only we need to do. Also here said that it is one index. So what we can do, we can just find the k minus 1 element. That will be in one index. So let's try to solve this out. I'm going to build a helper function for this. In this case, we don't need anything to return from that. We can just call it for now, let's call it build array. Okay, let's call it as build array. Then what we need to do, we need to add the free node, and we also need to get the k. Why we need to get the k? Okay, there comes the point. If we just need the third smallest element, we know that the array will be added in smallest to biggest order. When we reach at the node what we need, that means when our array is bigger or equal to, or when our array is bigger than the value, the k, then we can stop the execution there, because we only need the k minus 1th element. So that why, so that's why we are passing the k here. Now what would be the base case here comes in? The root will be null. If our root equals to null, what we need to return? We don't need to do anything, just return it. Okay, in the next case, what we need to do, we need to go to the left hand. So let's go to the left hand, build array, go to root dot left. That's only we need to do. Okay, we also need to pass the k. That's only we need to do. After that, we are at the left hand. Now we are at this node. What we need to do, add it into the array. So that let's add. Okay, there comes the point. We need to track of the element, so we need an array. So let's pass an array here. I'm using Java for this, so I will be using array list. Let's call it error for now, and let's add the element. Okay, arr dot add the current element. So right now I added one. Let me just track off the elements I have just added. Okay, right now I have just added one. Now in next, what I need to add? 2. That will already add because we are written. When it comes here, from here we don't we need to go to the right side first before going to the left. So that's why we need to add, we need to go to the right here. right? Okay. After that, if we need to do anything, no, we don't need to do anything. But take a look at this. If we run this program, if we only need the first element, the program will always check for everything, every node in this. We don't need that. So what we can do, simply check if the length of the array is greater than the k, then we don't need to check anything. We just need to stop the execution there. So let's say if array dot size in array list its size greater than k, let's say greater than or equal to k. Okay, if any of this becomes true, just return it. Now what we need to do, we just need to call this array. Okay. Oh sorry, we just need to call this array. Just call build array, just pass in the root, pass in the kth element. Oh, here comes the part. Here we need an array to pass in. So let's build an array, array list. Let's name it as array, the same as above. Create new array list. Okay, then just pass in the array here, then just return let's say get. We need to get k minus 1th element from the array. Okay, now let's take a look. Let's just convert this. After conversion, what will it be? The okay, let's go. I'm tracking all of this function here. Let's call this with 5. What will happen? We will initiate an array. So that is this. This is our array. Okay. After then, what will be happen there? It calls the build array. Here comes. Here right now this is 5. This is 3. Okay, this is 5, this is 3, and this is this array. Okay, after then, if root is null, no, it's not. If array dot size greater than or equal to 3, no, it's not. So build array, go to its left. After then, this checking happens, it is false. Build array, go to its left. After this checks false, build array, go to its left. After this, root equal to null, then return. So it comes to this line. What it says, add it into the value. So our pointer is right now here. Add it into the value. 1 is added. After then, build array of right. Just go to right. Here, what is the in the its right? Its right is null. Here a null node is there. Also, this is null. This thing's right is null. This thing is right and left is also null. Okay. Similarly, here also. Okay, for just take a look at build array of right. It is null, it returns. If it is came null, it returns. So this function also returns. It comes to here in this way. What it adds to let's add 2. After then it adds 3. After then it goes to the right. It is not null, it is in 4. It adds 4. In the next case it adds 5. In the next case it adds 6. At last, will our array looks like this? Then you guys are wrong. We also have a base case over here. That is, if our array size when our array size is greater than the element of k, that is 3. When our array size is greater than 3, we just need to return that execution there. That means these are not added. Okay, when these 1 2 3 are added, it just returns. Okay, after it returns, it came up here and just returns the element at k minus 1th element, because we know that this is 0th element, this is 1th element, this is second element. This is 0, this is 1, this is 2. We need one indexed array. That means we just need to minus it by 1, so that we will get one indexed array. Okay, let's run this and just take a look. Will it work or not? Oh, some error has faced here. Let's take a look at it again. It's taking so much time. Okay, some network error. I will try to fix that. Please bear with me. Cool. Just run this out. Oh, we already had got an error here. Let's see. Oh yeah. We already taking an array here, but we didn't pass that here. Let's pass that out. Also, let's pass that out. And also we need to cast whatever element is inside that. Otherwise, it might get an error. We need to cast it into int. Then let's just run again. Yeah, it's accepted. Let's submit. Yeah, it works. Okay guys, so then thank you for watching, and please feel free to show some comments.